Alright, back with a couple breaks here. Got this one for JeffRae. Got 4 boxes left, 1 to 4. Here we go. You're getting 2. Not box number 5. You're getting box number 4. 4's gone. Box 3 and 4. So the bottom 2. And that will leave 1 and 2. Next one's for Kyle. Kyle will make number 1, 1, 2, 3, and number 2, 4, 5, 6. 4, so Kyle, you'll be number 2. And by default, Ryan, you'll get the last one, number 1. It'll go with this case up here. Alright. One back up. Here we go. JeffRae, 3 and 4. Okay. We have Torrey Smith, Precision 2011 rookie. Is that focusing? There we go. Torrey Smith, Precision 2011 on-card rookie autograph. Emmitt Smith, 1990 Fleer Update 9.5. Emmitt Smith, I think his rookie was 91, right? Yeah. So that's the year before his rookie. And Darren McFadden patch, 25 of 35 out of Icons. Darren McFadden patch. We have 011 of 100 Jim Brown red ink. 9.5. 10 autograph from 2003. I think back in 03 this was a huge card, right? Jim Brown. Still a really nice card. So there you have it. Appreciate it, Jeff. I will we'll roll here in a little bit and see if you win one of those free packs. See ya.